So this is a video to help you get files exported so that they can be 3D printed. So if you're looking at your insert, as I have here, or your 3D printed topper, it's a pretty simple process from Onshape. All you do is you right click on the tab down here. I'll show it here so it shows up better. You see the export option at the bottom of the list. And it brings up this. So this is the name of the file. These are different options for file formats to export it as. We export as STL, in binary format, in millimeters, fine resolution, and just download it. Hit OK. And from there, you'll do this next part. You should have done this all on. I should have mentioned this before. You have to do this on a desktop computer at school. From there, you go to the options here, the start menu, and type in Dremel. You should see Dremel Digilab 3D Slicer show up. It will take a minute or so for the software to actually go ahead and get started. In the meantime, you can download both of them if you want to print them both in the same color. I'll show you how to do that. So export this one as well. As long as everything was correct the first time, it should be correct again this time. And so here's the software. If it's the first time the computer or your profile is using this, you need to set up the 3D printer. Make sure you set it up as the Dremel 3D45. And then for material, it should always be set up as a Dremel material PLA, all right, and profile medium quality, all right. And then I always recommend using 20% infill. The recommended settings for 20% infill: generate supports, build plate adhesion. All right, to actually import your files, you go to the open menu and you just find the parts that you downloaded, put that there. If you want to do both at the same time, that means that they will both be the same color, both be the same color filament. You can do them both at the same time, or if you want to do two separate colors, you can do that. All right, and then the next part is to just go ahead and slice it. That's pretty easy and straightforward. You click on prepare down here. It slices it. That means doing all the math behind it, converting to the file type that the printers can actually understand. And then you go ahead and save it. So I just do save to file. That way you have control over where it saves. You hit save. You save it on either a USB drive or in your U drive. And if you have a USB drive, that's what I recommend. That way you can walk it over to the printers and do it yourself. If not, save it on your U drive and then submit it in the classroom assignment for 3D printed parts, and Mr. Payne will print it for you. All right. If you have any questions, please let your teacher know. Thank you very much.